specifically on, chat commerce, which is your favorite area or area of expertise now, how are you seeing that trend evolve? Where do you see, that industry going, and specifically to e-commerce? Is that a new green shoot area where people should experiment a lot and would see massive, and that is possibly has a good tailwinds as WhatsApp opens up
Yeah.
and tries to monetize that part?
Yeah, so Chirag, I must say I'm in love with this WhatsApp commerce as of now. This is my newfound love. Actually, WhatsApp API was much more matured and a lot of software companies were getting launched with the API and stuff. So we thought, okay, this is an opportunity. Why not experiment with the API for our existing clients? So since I also had a background with email marketing and I did set up HubSpot automation for my previous brand. So email automation plus Facebook ads, uska amalgamation ban gaya WhatsApp automation and stuff. So whatever we can do with email, we can now do with WhatsApp. Okay. So that we implemented and we got some great results. Okay. But more importantly, it was like how easily we can acquire the phone number, right? So we know email marketing is powerful. Right? In e-commerce, email marketing is powerful. But imagine how much powerful if you have people's phone numbers.
Yeah.
Right? It's not only that you can send text, you can also call them and understand why you're not buying.
Correct.
Right? It's a great market research tool also.
Yeah.
If you think that way, right? So that is when this whole WhatsApp thing came. So we started, running aggressive campaigns for existing clients to acquire more and more data. And there was a time when I think this is like 3-4 months back, one of our biggest clients, their ad account got suspended by Facebook for some RBI regulation. They have to change the card. It keeps happening. And, with Facebook, it is not easy to get your, solutions fast, right? You have to email and it goes up for a toss. Okay. But luckily, in the process, we helped them, generate a database of 65,000 people.
Oh, wow.
With WhatsApp. Okay. And they had a previous base of the customers also. Okay. And they had the, telecalling team intact. So even though Facebook did pull the plug, with this data, they called and they, in fact, had a 1 CR month, even that month without the intervention of Facebook, right? So that is how powerful the whole concept of owning the data is, right? And WhatsApp plays a very, very, very big role in that, right? So in the previous world, if you want to get somebody's phone number, they have to fill a form, right? They have to fill a form, name, email, phone number. Now with just a click, you can have their phone number.
Correct.
So brands have to be very creative here right now. So now you see, I keep seeing this QR code ads on paper. You would have seen, right? All these big companies now leveraging print, right? They'll give a big homepage ad on paper and they'll say, scan the QR code. Okay. Now imagine, and most of them are sending people to the website. Imagine now you can actually make people scan QR code and send to WhatsApp.
Correct.
Imagine how much phone numbers you will be getting.
Yeah.